Hey there, business owners. Did you know that in 2023, a staggering 94% of businesses were hit by phishing attacks? That's a 40% jump from the previous year. According to research from Egress, phishing is on the rise, and it's not showing any signs of slowing down. So, what's driving this surge in phishing attempts? One major culprit is the rise of artificial intelligence, or AI. Generative AI has made it significantly easier for cybercriminals to craft convincing phishing content. We're talking malicious emails and even deepfake videos. Plus, AI is being used to develop the malware that attackers deploy during these phishing campaigns. Another big factor is the emergence of phishing as a service, or FaaS. This allows malicious individuals to hire skilled attackers to carry out phishing campaigns on their behalf. It's easier than ever for anyone with bad intentions to launch sophisticated attacks. Now, let's dive a little deeper into how cybercriminals are leveraging AI and FaaS to operate more efficiently and adapt to new situations. In the past, creating phishing content manually was time-consuming. It was tough for attackers to quickly exploit unforeseen events. But now, with these advancements, those barriers are rapidly disappearing. Phishing schemes often exploit current events, taking advantage of the public's reaction. We saw this recently with the blue screen of death incident involving CrowdStrike. On July 19, 2024, CrowdStrike released a faulty update that caused Windows machines to fail during boot up, leaving users staring at the notorious blue screen of death. Although CrowdStrike quickly issued a fix, cybercriminals were swift to launch phishing campaigns targeting businesses and individuals searching for solutions to the problem. Within the first day, CyberInt detected 17 typo squatting domains related to the issue. At least 2 of these domains were sharing a fake workaround fix, apparently as a way to solicit donations via PayPal. Further investigation traced the scam back to a software engineer named Alexander Skaratovich, who even promoted the fake website on his LinkedIn page. So, what can you do to protect your business? At Impress Computers, we understand the evolving nature of cybersecurity threats like phishing. As businesses face an increasing number of sophisticated attacks, it's crucial to stay one step ahead. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing comprehensive security solutions tailored to your needs. We make sure your business is protected against the latest threats. Don't leave your cybersecurity to chance. Trust Impress Computers to safeguard your business against phishing attacks and other cyber threats. Contact us today to learn how we can help you stay secure in an ever-changing digital landscape. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.